but decreases the quality of your work. And the most important thing is stop multitasking. Smallest and the every single part like hugna. Hey! Do you know what's the common thing between the richest person in the world and us? We all have the 24 hours, but the difference is we do not use the 24 hours as they do. Now you may think कि उन लोगों को तो unproductive phase होता ही नहीं होगा लाइफ में, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. हर कोई गुजरता है उस unproductive phase से and it's okay. But the thing is, you should know how to be productive and how to overcome the procrastination and laziness. So here are the tips about productivity. So firstly, I want to talk about the organization part because it's really important to organize your desk or workspace where you work. आपको productive feel होगा ही नहीं अगर आप messy place में हो. So you firstly have to organize your desk or workspace. Then the thing is what you do at the starting part of your day. You should do the most important work in the morning because in the morning you feel so much energetic and it will be easy for you to focus on that work in the morning. After that you can just take a break and then work on the next thing. And the next thing is find a hobby. Like you may like to dance or you may like to go to gym or whatever makes you feel energetic and whatever makes you feel happy. You should do that in the morning or whenever you feel so much tired or bored because your brain wants a break. And the most important thing is stop multitasking because multitasking is a myth and it doesn't increase your productivity but decreases the quality of your work. So do not do multitasking. Just focus on one thing which you want to work on and just get the thing done and then switch to the next work. But don't forget to set smart goals. Like deadlines are so much important. If you do not set a goal or smart goals, you will end up procrastinating on the work. So that's important to set a smart goal. Like अगर आपको 5 मिनट भी एक बुक पढ़ना है तो 5 मिनट ही पढ़ो. उसके ज़्यादा पढ़ने का ज़रूरत नहीं है लेकिन 5 मिनट कंप्लीट करो. That's the point. And don't forget to stay consistent because if you do a thing in regular basis it forms like a habit and habits are easy to be done. But remember, do not fix the smallest and the every single part like hugna. Hey! Like I mean to say that do not just waste your time to fix out the every single part of your life, every single work you are doing, every single work you do in daily basis, and take care of yourself because if you do not take care of your health or fitness then you won't be able to perform in a better way. Just a little taking care of your grooming or health or diet, eat healthy, just go to the gym, or if you don't have that much time you can just do some stretchings for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and you are good to go. If it's possible to do meditation, you should do because meditation helps to increase your focus and helps to increase your productivity. Just meditate for 5 minutes a day and it's enough if you are starting right now. I don't think ये कोई बहुत ही tough काम होगा आपके लिए कि 5 minute निकालना आपके daily life से to meditate. And if you know about the Pomodoro technique, I don't suggest you to do that in a bookish way. If you do 25 minutes work and then 5 minutes break, it will break your flow and it will make you less productive. You can just either sit in a one place for 1 to 2 hours and then take a break for 15 minutes. That's good, but don't take too much break during a work and don't just break your flow because एक flow का stage में जाने के लिए आपको 20 minutes लगता है और उसके बाद अगर आप 25 मिनट्स के बाद अगर ब्रेक ही ले लोगे तो आपको फ्लो कैसे रहेगा. तो आपको फिर से 20 मिनट्स का फेज से गुजरना पड़ेगा जब आपको फोकस नहीं होगा. उसके बाद आपका फोकस इंक्रीज होता है, आपका प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज होता है. सो डोंट टेक दैट मच ब्रेक्स ड्यूरिंग अ वर्क. जस्ट सिट इन प्लेस फॉर 1 to 2 hours एंड एक सीट में आप काम को खत्म करो 1-2 घंटे में. उसके बाद आप ब्रेक लो 15 मिनट्स का, 30 मिनट्स का. यू शुडंट टेक ब्रेक्स ड्यूरिंग अ वर्क. डोंट टेक ब्रेक्स फ्रिक्वेंटली एंड जस्ट मेंटेन अ फ्लो. एंड गोइंग फॉर अ वॉक in the evening or in the morning is so much good for you because it makes your mind so much calm. And आप अगर आपके नाइट लाइफ को मेंटेन कर सकते हो, लाइक नाइट रूटीन को, योर स्लीप साइकिल को मेंटेन करना, एक फिक्स टाइम में उठना और फिक्स टाइम में सोने जाना. इट विल हेल्प यू बी मोर प्रोडक्टिव. आपको ब्रेन को ये याद होता है कि कब सोना है, कब जगना है, और इट फॉर्म्स लाइक a habit. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's free, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.